Hey guys, today we're going to be crushing stuff with a car tire, well, truck tire, but we're going to crush all this stuff, so it's going to be awesome. We're starting off with this little piece of foam. Okay, Mom, you're good. Yeah, you can go. That was cool. Okay, you're good. This one's gonna splatter. You're good. Back up, didn't work. Hey guys, can you hold this umbrella? It's getting annoying. Put it around your wrist. Oh, it's blowing away. Yeah. Okay, yeah. Yeah, this one's gonna splatter a lot. Oh, it did it. That was awesome. Just, yeah, back up. Alright, good. Okay, I'm gonna do a great big glue bottle because that will be awesome. Should I do this one? I'm gonna do this one first.
Yeah, do that one. What color is that? Purple.
Okay, this one's gonna skirt like crazy because it's got purple in it. Alright, Mom, you're good. Oh, God. But stand clear. Oh, I crushed it. Here, just a minute.
Nice one, purple.
Here, I'm gonna close the top so it explodes. There. Okay, go again. Yeah. Oh, it didn't work. Okay, good. Okay, yeah.
Do the big one.
Yeah, that didn't work. Just a minute. One more time. Here, Mom, go forward. Slow. You can go faster than that, yeah. Oh yeah, I cracked that time. All right, let's do the big one. Mom, we're gonna do the big one. Okay, you're good, go forward. This is huge. Oh, God. That was awesome. Okay. All right, go forward. Okay, stay there. Oh, my phone. Whoa. Yeah. Where'd the cap go? There's pink water all the way to here, and here's a piece of the cap. Okay, next thing. This is awesome. Okay, I got a party popper. Oh, there's like a pink string.
It's literally soaked right now.
The rabbit? Let's see the rabbit. You want to run over the rabbit?
She's soaked.
No, bunny. Too close. Hi. Okay, let's run over a party popper. There's nothing in it. Okay. Yeah. Oh. Oh, that got destroyed. All right, back up. Go over it again. Okay.
Can you do the hockey puck?
No.
Do the puck.
Okay, just a second. Yo. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Next thing. What do we got? Hockey puck. Okay, yeah. Hockey puck. That's a squishy one, so. Okay, you're good.
Go.
Yeah, it just came back. This is a squishy puck. Okay, let's line up a whole bunch of wet floral foam. Okay, just stay there. Okay, wet floral foam. And then a dry floral foam. 2 dries. There. Now let's crush this one. And put it there. Okay. You good, go slow. That was awesome.
They're stuck on the tire.
Oh, they're stuck on the tire. It's not coming off. Is this one? Yeah, they're stuck on the tire. Well, let's do all the wet ones.
They're stuck on the tire, Minnie.
Okay, I'm gonna put all these there. Put them there. I know, there's still some. Oh, I squeezed it. Okay, put those there. All right, Mom.
No.
That was satisfying. Oh, I just realized I've been filming in vertical this whole time. Oh, I'll film this way now. Okay, go again. Okay, that wasn't as satisfying.
There's more stuff on the tire.
Yeah, there's more stuff in there. Oh, I fell. Oh, it's icy here. This is all ice.
Our driveway.
It's crazy ice.
Yeah.
We got today off school because of the ice.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah. Mom, you good, Mom? You're good. Nice. Okay,
Wet rattle.
That's about all we got, but I'm gonna try this one more time. Okay, Mom, you're gonna have to go really slow this time. Just wait. Okay, yeah, go super slow. Yeah. Oh, it worked. Pop. Yeah, okay. Oh, we got one more thing. Wait, Grace, are you gonna stay for the candy cane?
Rabbit's gotta go.
Okay. Okay, Mom, last one. You're good. Oh, it worked. Oh, it only crushed a little bit. Let me put that one more time. Okay, one more time. Alright, go forward again. Just actually just a sec. Okay, yeah. You good? No, it's not doing anything now. Huh? Okay, I guess that's, oh, fell again. Okay, I guess that's it for this video, but we'll have fun cleaning up this mess.